Today let's learn how to add the right-click shortcut to generate audio files from text. We will be using the automator tool of macOS. Let's first take a look at an example how it works. First, select the text files. Then, right-click, go to Quick Actions, then click TTS. Notice the gear icon is running. Shortly after, you will see the automatically generated audio files in the same directory as the TXT files. This is how it sounds.
Natasha Romanoff, aka Black Widow, confronts the darker parts of her ledger when a dangerous conspiracy with ties to her past arises. Luke Skywalker, a Force-sensitive human male, was a legendary Jedi Master who fought in the Galactic Civil War during the reign of the Galactic Empire.
Pretty convenient, right? Now let me show you how to create this shortcut option. First, open the automator tool. You can press Command plus space, then enter automator, or from the launchpad, find the automator icon and click it. After it is opened, choose Quick Action. Select Finder from the In drop-down menu. Select Files or Folders from the Receives drop-down menu. Type Shell in the Action text field and drag Run Shell Script to the Workflow Builder window. Open the drop-down menu of Pass Input. Select As Arguments. Now let's modify this line to call the say command that converts a text file to an audio file. Go to File, Save, then give it a name. I'm using TTS. Now, if you right-click on any file, you should see the same TTS option as I do. To make it easy for you, I also uploaded the automator file to GitHub. You can download it from the link that I provided in the comment. After you've downloaded the file, unzip it, then double-click to install. I hope this video is useful to you. Please give your thumb up if you like it. Thanks a lot.